So please, Wasim, proceed you and ask your question. What you need. Hello, Wasim.
His microphone is not on.
Wasim. Okay, Wasim. Let me
Can you
check
can
this.
you ping him on WhatsApp to say that the microphone is off?
Sorry. Let me check Wasim on the mobile phone. Okay. Meanwhile, Yasir, please proceed your question. What you need?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Wasim, please. Can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
Please ask your questions about FTP and Punjab. We are starting from you. Please start and what you need.
Okay. First of all, the issue is we are using Bitbucket and Bamboo for
Mhm.
when we pull data to Bitbucket and run project and Bamboo. In some cases, server not run updated code. It runs last updated code, so we need to wait for sync the code. Also, logic wrapper is not run on our local system. Every time we need test and code even a little bit, we need to push it on Bamboo.
Mhm.
So this process will take a lot of time. For this, we need to any FTP access to your server so that our working speed will increase.
Okay. Okay, I understand your concern. Are you familiar with SSH key?
Sorry, can you please repeat?
Okay, instead of using an FTP, I'm suggesting you to use SFTP, which is using SSH
Okay, no
functionality.
problem. We can use it. No problem.
So please send me your public keys so I can add it to the user on the server, and you will be able to log in and add your cron, run your task, upload your files. But please keep uploading the application kit.
Wasim, do you know how to generate a key from SSH or do you have already a key?
Actually, I am not listening very good because there is a lot of noise in the background.
I didn't catch you, sorry. Can you repeat?
There is a lot of noise in the background. I cannot listen the voice clearly.
So you want us to repeat? What is the...
Yasir, please you mute your microphone. When you speak, then you on your microphone. Unmute.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now is it better? Now it's better now.
Yes, it's better.
Okay,
Okay. Please speak.
so
Uh, you said about the SSH. So please provide the SSH access so that we can
yeah,
work on it.
sure. But to do that, you have to generate your SSH key. It's done on the Windows computer through PUTTY, you know, PuTTY.
Putty, yes, we know
On
about
put
putty.
on PuTTY, there is a PuTTY gen, and this is generating the key. So you have to
Okay.
use this tool to generate a private and a public key, and you have to provide the public key to Thomas.
Okay.
And this way you will be able to connect to our server through SSH, and that means you will be able to use for example, WinSCP or another FTP client on Windows to be able to access the file directly.
Yes, we prefer WinSP.
So first step, you have to generate the key.
Okay.
So I can send you a link to, or you will find easily on the internet using PuTTY, generate SSH key, you will find.
Okay, fine.
Are using PuTTY, you know PuTTY?
Yes, but I need a little bit demo about it because
No, it's. I
a
will
lot.
send. Okay, I will send you directly a step-by-step tutorial. So you will have just to follow this.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay, it is in the conversation. Do you have it?
Sorry.
I sent that in the conversation of Teams.
Yes, there is. Let me check. Okay, you have sent it.
Okay, so take this step-by-step tutorial, and you have to provide Thomas with the public key. The
Okay.
private one will stay on your computer.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
One question: are you familiar? I think you are using FileZilla for the FTP, right?
No, we are using WinSP.
Okay. Whatever software you are using, the protocol to use FTP with SSH is SFTP. Okay?
Okay.
And you will be able to do exactly the same as FTP.
Okay.
That's all.
But when you are creating the profile, you have to select SFTP protocol for the connection. That's what Thomas was saying.
Okay. Can I try it now?
If you provide me the key, yes.
The key will take 10 minutes to generate or something like that because there is a lot of calculation.
Okay.
So we can start now and maybe the key will be generated after that. PuTTY will ask you to make some move on a blank part of the screen to generate random values.
Okay, let me download the PuTTY first.
Yes, then it's in the folder. The tool to do that, it's PuTTY key generator.
Okay.
Because you know Thomas is using Linux computer and everything is already set up on the machine. You don't need to use external software.
Can I share my screen with you?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
T'as du temps, Thomas, ou t'as combien de temps?
Si, là j'ai du temps, oui.
Ok,
Parce que
non,
là, aujourd'hui, je bosse pas sur.
Oui, c'est vrai que tu avais dit à Georges que tu avais du temps.
Okay. We have downloaded the PuTTY. You can see my screen, sir?
Yep.
Yes, we can see your screen.
I'm trying to move it to a bigger screen.
Go next.
Okay. Can I install it?
Yeah, you install PuTTY wherever you want.
Okay.
T'as toujours l'écran? Je vois plus.
Non, il a enlevé.
Il est caché, ok. Pour pas qu'on voit, c'est... Ça montre bien qu'ils n'ont pas vraiment les bonnes habitudes. Hein.
Ah, mais bon, ça m'étonne pas trop hein, maintenant.
We lost your screen.
You can see my screen,
No.
the PuTTY configuration? No?
No. We lost it because you only share the first screen. So now, because you go to the next one, you didn't share the screen, you share the window. So stop sharing and reshare it for the full screen, please.
Okay.
Okay, we have it.
You can see, no?
We see Teams.
We see the Teams interface.
There is option one is desktop, window, and other one by one.
You have to select screen and not window.
I have to select screen. There
Screen
is,
1, screen 2, whatever number of screen you have.
I will send you a screenshot.
You send it where? On WhatsApp?
No, in the meeting.
Conversation, okay, because you know the.
Yes.
I have to pop up the screen.
Which option I have to select?
Okay, it's opening. Just a second.
Intro.
Why it is? Ah no, I didn't. Where did you put the screenshot? Tu le vois, Thomas?
I am not
Non,
showing
je
the
vois pas.
I
option
didn't
of,
get a screenshot.
actually the option of sharing screen is not showing here. Here is just desktop, window, and putty configuration.
So you take desktop.
Desktop?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
I think it's better now.
Okay, fine.
Let me
Yeah,
adjust.
it's better.
Yeah, okay, it's okay. So keep this one. Now that means putty is set up. Keep this configuration. We don't need this configuration for the moment. Keep it. Go
Okay.
out of there. And now you have to go to the folder where putty is set up.
Okay.
Can I take control of your machine?
Yes, you can.
Okay, go.
Peut-être tu peux faire ça avec Teams.
Okay, this tool we need. Gen, okay.
Okay.
And then we will generate a RSA key.
Mhm.
The next step, we have to move there to create some random values, okay. The key is generated. Here you should put your email address or whatever you want.
An identifier so we can identify this key.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux que je mette là? Son email, c'est bon?
Ouais, c'est très bien.
Can you type your email right now?
Can I put my email address here?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And now you click on generate.
Please click on it.
Okay. So it will create two different keys, one for the public, one for the private.
You should never share your private key, okay? Keep it for yourself. Do not share it.
Pourquoi il me redemande là? J'ai relancé. Ah oui, j'ai relancé, il fallait que je fasse save. Sorry, put your email.
Email?
Yeah, email address. Whatever identifier we can use to know you. Okay, thank you. So I am saving the public key. Put it where you want to have it.
Sorry.
Okay. This is your public key, okay?
Okay.
Same.
Okay.
Sim,
Please save it on desktop.
Yeah, okay.
Sim, can you please put your professional email api@adnagile.com?
I am not remember it. Please proceed it. No problem.
Okay. You can enter a passphrase or not. Yes.
No need.
No need, okay.
I have sent it in the chat conversation.
So, and then we have the private key.
Yeah, okay.
Tu veux que je lui mette un nom
Il a envoyé l'email à utiliser dans la discussion.
Ouais, bon, on va recommencer, c'est pas grave. Okay, so we can restart. No problem. It's not a big deal.
T'aurais dû modifier l'email.
Le
T'aurais dû modifier l'email avant de faire générer. Non?
Je sais jamais. Je sais
Abu,
jamais
please
si-
send me email address.
I have sent it in chat.
No problem, I take the conversation.
I have sent it in the meeting chat.
Yeah, I got it. S'il veut bien me laisser faire un copier-coller, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ok. Ok, thank you. Je sais jamais s'il faut la mettre avant ou après.
Dans le doute, on la met avant et puis on la remet après.
Donc je refais generate. Parce que je crois qu'il la demande juste avant de sauvegarder.
Ah,
Mais c'est pas un problème, on va faire comme
ah
ça.
bah oui, ok. Désolé, du coup.
Non, non, il n'y a pas de désolé. Voilà, tu vois, donc on va faire la save public. So public key, je sais jamais l'extension, mais c'est pas grave. Yep. Save private key. Yes.
De toute façon, on s'en fout de l'extension parce que moi derrière, il me faut juste le continue.
Ouais, je sais, oui, il faut copier-coller. Okay, theoretically, donc so the keys are generated on your desktop now. You have two keys, one
Okay.
public that Thomas needs and one private. Keep this private key private forever. Never give it to someone else.
Okay. Okay.
Ok.
Okay.
Tu veux que j'ouvre le fichier dans Notepad et que je l'envoie? Comment on peut faire?
Oui, s'il te plaît. Comme ça, je le fais tout de suite.
Ouais, c'est ce que je me doutais. Ok. Are you using? Oh yeah, you are using Sublime Text. Let's go.
I am using WinSP.
No, for the Can you open Sublime Text and open the public key, please?
Okay.
I'm not able to do it. I don't know why.
Public key.
Yeah. Cool.
Ok. Ah oui, putain, c'est à la façon Putty.
Qu'est-ce qui te gêne?
En fait, il faut que tout soit sur une seule ligne, sans le begin, sans le end et sans le commentaire. Just send me all the content, I'll fix it myself.
Ok. Je prends et je te l'envoie dans Teams. Attends. Ça te va dans Teams? J'espère qu'il ne va pas convertir le jeu de caractère. Ah zut, il veut pas. The copy paste is not working for me. Can you copy paste the whole content of the file in the conversation, please, Wazim?
Okay. Can you please repeat it? What you want to say?
You can copy paste the content of the file in the conversation, please.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
No problem. Just paste, normally it will go. Because you never send the screenshot. That's the reason why. You have to click on the arrow first. Can you see the arrow there? Click on it. Oh, okay. Because you never send the screenshot. That's the reason why we didn't go get it. Okay. That's first step is done. So what is your tools for FTP? You are using FileZilla or WinSCP?
WinSP.
Can you show us? Yes. So, tu arrives à le faire en temps réel, Thomas?
Yes, okay, I've added your key on the server.
Okay.
So now you should try to connect.
Is the 40 client started on your machine?
40 client, yes, it is.
It is connected. Perfect.
Yes.
So you can add a profile for ACP.
I send you the IP address in the chat.
1055 something.
Uh,
What are you doing?
Faut que je cherche son logiciel.
Mais non, je viens de le lancer.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait là?
The software is already. Ah non, oui, ok, il va rechercher l'IP.
this is already added at 10.1.55.
Yeah, but go to WinSCP and create a new profile.
Okay.
Just there, yeah.
Mais dans son fichier host, là, les IP, elles sont commentées, donc ça va pas fonctionner.
Ouais, bon, après, c'est pas le problème maintenant.
I need to create new one
Yes,
and
SFTP is good.
Yeah, perfect.
Host
The
name,
IP address?
just pass the IP.
10.55.1.10.
10.55.
1.10. No, sorry, I revert 55 and 1.
10.155.10.
Correct.
Hello, see? It's a 10.1.55.10.
Go ahead.
Yeah, 51 is after 1. 50, first is the 1.
Yeah, yeah.
Tomo, that you sent in the chat, am I right?
Yes, okay. Username is data.gateway.
Data.gateway.
Like this?
Data.gateway. Dot.
Sorry, we have a special keyboard in France. Non, parce que tous les caractères ne passent pas.
Okay. Advanced.
C'est ça, hein?
Yes.
you need to select from desktop.
I cannot click. I don't know why.
Clique sur les 3 petits points.
Ouais, j'y arrive pas. Si tu veux, la souris est décalée et...
Ah.
Can you click on the 3 points, please? 3 dots, sorry.
Okay, please
Select the
reload the
desktop.
file. Yes.
Private key.
Good. Okay. Try to log in.
I just rename it because... Je vois pas où c'est. Normalement, c'est de clic droit. Can you right click on the new site?
Please let me give the control.
Yeah, I stopped moving. Sorry.
Control is at your end.
Au casque, ça fait bien. Okay, so it's not a big deal. You will have to rename this. Click on login.
Okay.
So you have to accept the key and your password.
The server refused your key.
Ah?
Let me check.
Server refused our key. The username is correct? Is correct, Thomas? Data.gateway, so it's okay?
Yes. Oh, sorry, I know what I missed. Sorry, let me fix.
Cool.
J'ai oublié de mettre le type de la clé devant la clé en fait.
Ah, que c'était du RSA?
Oui. Please try again.
You need to start the steps from beginning.
Ah, no.
When you say you need, you want to have a full.
Non, mais en fait, il fallait cliquer sur Save, je pense, pour garder les comptes.
Ah, d'accord.
Juste le refaire.
Can you do it because my mouse pointer is a little bit fuzzy. I am not able to click on it. Can you start a new session, please?
I cannot because the only access to you. I cannot access it.
Ah, let me try it. No, new site is there. SFTP. Je ne suis pas trompé.
Non, c'est bon. Data Gateway.
Please save it first. Okay,
Ouais.
fine.
Ok. Ouais, et je crois qu'il fallait aller jusqu'au bout de la.
Il faut que tu fasses Edit.
Click
Ah.
on edit button. Yes.
C'est là que j'ai pas réussi à cliquer tout à l'heure.
À un moment, c'était presque bon. Ouais. Ah.
Il s'allume, mais tu vois, il faut pas grand-chose.
Oui. Ah, c'était presque. Ouais.
Faut que j'arrête de bouger.
Ouais, parfait.
Je suis
J'ai
pas
une souris
mauvais.
trop sensible.
Non, c'est parce que les prises de contrôle à distance, ça le fait tout le temps.
Ouais.
Please save it. Ah, okay.
On tente notre chance.
Allez, faut que ça marche là.
Ah ah.
Ah ah. I love when it's working. Okay, so now you are inside the data gateway directory of the data gateway user.
Okay.
Inside htdocs, you have the release by Bamboo. You can go inside the folder.
Okay. Can you please open the htdocs because I have not control.
I am the master.
Then, okay, there you have the release folder. The release folder is all the build from Bamboo, and the current directory is a symlink to the current using to the current release.
Ah, il marche pas. Si, là.
Yeah. Links to yes.
The last one you pushed.
So if you want to do modification, do it inside current.
Okay, fine. Here is another my question. Basically, I want to set the cron job that will put the data from duplicate database to Zoho CRM. For setting the cron job, how can I set on this server?
This is a single command. I can give you the command in the discussion. This is
Ils ont accès à Crontab.
Okay, just concept.
Moins E, ouais. Je l'ai associé à Nano. Excuse-moi.
Ouais, faut juste que je te laisse 2 secondes et mon chef il va faire une énorme connerie.
Ah, pas de problème. So, you know Crontab as an editor, you know this one? I think we need to connect there. Can we do that from WinCP? I don't know. Did you associate with WinCP with PuTTY or not?
Sorry, you can ask him to me.
Yeah, I'm trying to, yeah. Theoretically, we can do the same with PuTTY. I cannot click. Why? It's not easy. I'm not good. I am trying to click in open in PuTTY.
PuTTY is already opened in the.
Yeah, but this way you don't have to re-enter the parameters. I give you the control back. Can you go to session and open in PuTTY, please?
Okay, please give me control.
Yeah, you have it. I give it to you.
Okay, what I have to do?
Session, commands, sorry. Go to commands.
Go to
in WinCP.
in WinSP.
Yeah, go to commands. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you go to open in PuTTY.
Okay.
Yep. So you are in the system now. So you can type crontab -e.
Cron-E.
Crontab, T-A-B.
Crontab.
Space dash E. Like editor.
-E.
Yeah. No. Dash and E are put together.
Okay. -E. This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Enter. I don't think you have the right access. Let's wait for Thomas. He's back in a few minutes.
Back?
Yeah, Control X. Control X, sorry. Control X. You can close this.
Okay.
Say cancel and we will restart when Thomas is back. So you already prepared the script you want to put in the cron tab?
Scripter, I have to give the path of my file that I have to set on cron job.
It's based on how can I say that?
It is better if I give the path of my file.
Because you know there is a special environment on this machine. Maybe you will have trouble to be able to get on. Are you running a PHP script?
Yes.
Okay. So you will need a special command.
Okay.
To access the right folders because it's a separate environment for each user. Let's try to have this one. Okay, just one. Okay, so I have this in my. Ah, my notepad is closed. Can you show me the command line you want to run?
Command line in PuTTY?
The command line you will have to put in the cron tab.
Sorry, I'm back.
No problem. Je pense qu'il n'a pas les droits d'accès sur le.
Basically, I want
Normalement,
get-
le user peut mettre ses propres crons.
Ah oui, d'accord. Donc ouais, c'est pour ça qu'il était vide alors. So go back to PuTTY and show to Thomas what is working. So go to WinSCP and go to command and open in PuTTY.
Sorry, repeat it again.
Can you go to WinSCP
Okay.
and then commands open in PuTTY? Yep.
Okay.
And then you will have the same environment there and cron tab space -E. Or theoretically, you push the up arrow and it will fulfill the line.
Cron tab -E.
Yep. E for edition. Enter.
Enter. Okay.
Okay, but here you can set up your cron. So just enter your schedule mask.
Ah, ouais, donc lui, il utilise. Oui, puisque c'est dépendant de l'utilisateur. It's a VI editor. You know VI?
Sorry, I cannot understand.
Yes, what you saw for cron tab, it's a VI editor.
VI editor?
Yes, I think
Yes,
so.
this is the name of the software.
So VI. You have to use the escape key to be able to save or to modify or whatever. Okay, there is a list of commands you can find on the internet. Just type a VI command.
I need to install it.
No, you're.
So, if you need to run your PHP script in this cron table.
Yes.
Okay, so you will need a special line, command line. I can push it to you, something like that, to have it work. It's in the conversation. Otherwise, you won't be able to launch PHP on the command line.
मैं तुम्हें ऐड कर दूं.
If you want to keep that, you push escape.
Okay.
Double point, exclamation mark.
Sinon, le plus simple, c'est qu'ils nous disent qu'ils veulent mettre en cron et on le fait. Hein.
Ouais, sinon on lui met nano, donc c'est facile aussi. Can you show us the script you want to run in the cron?
Yeah.
Yes, please do it.
Can you please take the control of my system? Because I don't understand it.
Je sais pas ce que je veux. Hein. J'ai pas accès à tous les caractères, c'est casse-pied. Un control B, mais... Ok, we can close PuTTY, whatever. 2.kit. Là, j'ai pas accès aux 2 points. So we don't have the same keyboard, but I will close this one. Okay. Can you show us the script you want to run in on table, please? Can you hear us, Wazim?
Yes, I can hear you, but lot of noise. I think
Yes, sorry.
I
Not,
don't know.
not coming from me. So, can you show us the command you want to run on the scheduled task in the cron, please?
Okay, please, the control is in your
Yeah,
hands.
Roland.
Please go to an editor, Sublime Text.
No, go it, go it, go, go. I give you the control.
Basically, this file that I want to run, get invoice.php.
Okay, it's a PHP script, okay.
Yes, the code in this file I want to run in the cron job that will be executed after each hour.
Each hour?
Yes, after every hour. Yes.
So let's go, we can try to do it.
Where I have to go?
I will take the control. So, okay. Hop, dedans. Alors, il faut qu'on se souvienne. Donc, oui, il faut 0. Oui, ok. J'essaie de comprendre ce que je fais. Étoile. Ah, tu vois ce qu'il fait, c'est le bordel. Are you using an English keyboard or what is your keyboard type, guys? I would like to know, are you using an English keyboard or you have a special type of keyboard in Pakistan?
I am using English keyboard.
I'm trying to get the special characters and I'm used to, but I have to know which keyboard.
What character you want?
Now I need star.
Sorry, hyphen?
I got it.
Okay.
Theoretically. J'espère que je ne me trompe pas. Star is 8. 1, 2, 3. It's better to put your putty. No, it's better to put it in a. How can I say that? In a script. Your script will be located where? In your folder somewhere here?
Yes, it is in the db2zone folder.
Here? Home, data, gateway, htdocs. Where is the... Flash, where is Flash?
It is DB to Zoho, not Zoho to DB. It is DB to Zoho.
Where is it? I'm so sorry, the keyboard is a little bit weird. Not doing what I want.
I will use.
Okay, I'm explaining what I'm doing. I'm creating a line that is
Okay.
making reference to a script.
Okay.
This way, you won't have to change it every time in the cron tab, but you will be able to run it as a script.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. No problem.
No problem.
Pourquoi t'arrivais pas à mettre PHP directement?
Comment?
T'arrivais pas à mettre PHP directement?
Non, je préfère qu'ils aient un script et ils le modifient comme ça, ils vont pas tout le temps dans la cron tab.
Ok.
Je sais pas, tu fais pas comme ça?
Just send me
Non,
command.
c'est très bien aussi.
Alors, je suis dans quoi là? Je suis dans VI, donc il faut que je fasse escape.
Yes, sir. Just send me command on the WhatsApp or Skype. I can set it. No problem.
CQ après, je crois. Tu peux me rappeler les commandes pour sortir de VI, Thomas?
Échappe de .wq.
Ah oui, mais ça, je vois, il ne fait pas. Échappe, ça je vais revenir.
2 points.
2 points, alors le 2 points il est là. Write and kit.
Ouais.
Ouais. Je sais pas.
Tu veux que je le fasse vite fait?
Tu peux prendre le contrôle? Tu peux essayer parce que j'arrive pas.
Non, mais je veux dire, je suis connecté sur la VM, donc je peux le faire.
Alors,
Ah non, je suis pas connecté en.
T'es pas sur leur environnement.
Il faudrait que j'ajoute ma clé.
Nazim,
Yes, please.
I gave you back the control. Could you please push escape?
Escape. Okay. There is nothing.
C'est 2 points après. Hein. Double
Ouais.
point.
Sorry.
You know double point.
Double point.
Yeah.
What is double point? Backspace.
It's the letter near L. It's on the key near L on your keyboard, between L and Enter.
Thing to happen.
You have semi-comma and double point on the same letter. What is the name in English? I don't know.
Thing happen.
How you say that?
Pierre, ce que je le fasse, là, je suis sur le serveur en
Ouais,
tant
ok,
que
ok.
data gateway.
Vasim,
Yes, please.
Thomas will create this line. So we have to keep.
Tu peux juste me remontrer la ligne?
Ouais, tu mets ce que
Comme
tu
ça.
veux, le script, on l'a pas encore créé.
I have
Ah,
cleared.
mais quelle fréquence vous voulez, par exemple?
Toutes les heures.
Je mets toutes les heures?
Ouais.
C'est 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
C'est ça. Hein. Si je me souviens bien. À chaque fois, je suis obligé de rouvrir une doc. Hein.
Data gateway.
Dans
Je vais le
htdocs,
mettre ici.
tu le mets dans htdocs ou tu le mets dans data gateway comme tu veux.
Je vais le mettre dans data gateway parce que non,
Ouais,
j'étais.
c'est plus logique.
Ouais. Comment on l'appelle le script?
Alors db to zo .sh.
DB to Zoho with
Est-ce que tu peux mettre des underscores? Tu vois comme il a écrit là.
Ouais, c'est pareil.
DB
Ok.
underscore to underscore Zoho.
zo. Donc,
Ouais. Je vais juste mettre les lignes de base d'un fichier SH.
Je suis en train de le faire. Là.
Bah, j'ai créé le cron là, donc si vous faites cron tab E, vous devriez le voir maintenant.
Ou elle, comme ça, il ne modifie pas. Ok. Can you give me the control, please? Il gère très mal les caractères spéciaux et tu vois, j'arrive à rien faire. Can you click on the open in PuTTY, please?
Mm,
You can't?
yes, the control at your hands.
Okay. So let's go like I'm trying to do it. Okay. So
Ok.
now Thomas created, this line. That means every hours we will run the script that is named db2zo. D'accord? Okay.
But there is a file in the folder db2zoho.
Yes,
It's
I
not a
created the file.
Yeah, he created it.
You can check.
Please op
Je vais vite faire un clavier. Ah, on peut pas y aller. Ouais. Ah, j'ai mis un point là. Pourquoi il peut pas aller dans ce dossier?
T'as tué le logiciel, non. Bah reconnecte-toi.
C'est l'utilisateur, c'est moi, je vois pas d'autre explication. J'adore cette vie. Ah, mais on n'est plus connecté, on s'est fait jeter.
Ouais. Reconnect session.
On s'est fait têche comme des malpropres.
yes,
Bah,
there is a
fais ça pour remonter, c'est peut-être.
open the folder db2zoho.
Yeah, just a second, we want to show you that we have this.
Encore une fois.
Excuse-moi, je suis obligé de...
Normalement, il devrait être là.
Ouais, je le vois pas. C'est ce que je disais. Quand je fais un
Moi, je le
refresh,
vois bien. Hein.
pourquoi on le voit pas? Tu as déjà mis les attributs d'exécution ou pas?
RV, RVR.
Ouais.
Ouais, read write, read write.
Et ouais, il est bien dans Home Gateway.
Ouais. Home alors. Home data.gateway. Hein.
Ah, c'est ça. Ah, moi, j'ai pas accès. Permission denied. Pourquoi on le voit pas?
Fais refresh un coup.
Ouais, c'est ce que je voulais faire.
Ouais, voilà, c'est là. Il est là.
Ah, il est là. Là, il est comme ils disent. Il va l'ouvrir dans notre pad comme ça. So.
Voilà, c'est tout. Donc la première ligne, tu la laisses. Et puis,
Ouais, tout à fait. Ensuite, il faut lui mettre ça. C'est chiant, celui qui vise à côté. C'est insupportable. Ah merde. Il m'a pas pris ma commande. Oui, là j'ai été obligé de taper mes mails. Je veux pas. It's not easy with the control used by Teams. The keyboard is a little bit.
Elle fait quoi l'option C?
Il force l'utilisation d'un INI spécial, non?
Je sais pas, normalement tu devrais pas avoir.
J'avais essayé avec celle-là qui marchait. Je sais pas pourquoi.
En fait, j'ai essayé PHP 7.4 ini pour voir quel fichier ini il lisait.
Ouais, c'était pas le bon. Tu sais, j'avais passé un long moment et j'avais dû t'appeler pour.
Parce
Alors,
que moi,
peut-être
quand
que-
je fais PHP 7.4, je vois bien le fichier que toi tu as mis, hein,
Ah ouais?
avec quand tu forces. Donc,
D'accord. En tout
bon,
cas,
après, tu peux laisser. Hein.
Et donc son fichier, il va être dans htdocs. C'est ça, hein?
htdocs current.
Ouais, mais il a un sous-dossier. Attends. Il est où le NCP? This is
There is,
the folder where the file is?
yes, the third one. The file is third one. Get invoice view.
Get invoice view.php. OK. Je prends Sublime. Qu'est-ce qu'il m'a dit? Current slash db underscore. Le underscore. Can you type underscore 2 underscore zo,
Okay.
please?
Please go ahead.
Okay, and then the file is get underscore. Type the name of the script, please. Vas-y.
Okay.
I was thinking there was a uppercase somewhere. So.
Just
There is
me
a uppercase
copy
on I, no? I is uppercase. Okay, so this script will be run every hours, okay? So you can add several lines in it. And they
yes, but here is my question.
Yeah.
When my computer is powered off, then there is no B40 client will be running. But at the back end script will be run after every hour.
No, please
And
stop. We are not able to hear you correctly. Can you restart slowly?
sorry.
I was not able to hear you. It was cutting.
Can
you
I
restart?
repeat? Can I repeat myself?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. The issue is when my system is powered off in the night, but at the back end, the script will be running after every hour due to cron job. Please let me know that when my script will be working, because 40 client then will not be running on my PC.
It's not an issue because you are working on a VM. The VM is already in the environment where there is no need to get the 40 client running. You know, this machine is somewhere in the architecture of the company, and it is linked directly with the PRMS.
Okay, it means then there will be no need for the 40 client.
Exactly, this virtual machine is always up and running, full day, overnight, whatever it's running. So this script will run every hours. The best way is to put somewhere in a log or to use the mail system. I don't know if it's set up, but put somewhere in the log system the result of your script.
Okay.
so you can
I-
see when it runs.
Okay, I understand it.
Okay, perfect. So that means here in this special file with the SH extension, you can put how many lines you want to be run every hours.
It is almost uh, almost 315 lines with the many other lines that is included in this file.
Okay,
Like-
because as long as you can run this PHP script from the command line, it will be able to be run from the script and from the cron tab,
Okay,
the cron job, sorry.
okay, okay.
So first, when you want to be sure, run it manually with the command line with PHP.
Sorry, repeat it again.
Yeah, go back to the script, please.
Okay.
You can see on the front of this, you have PHP something, PHP 7.4. Use this command line to run it from the PuTTY, so you can see the result. Because
Okay.
cron is not taking care if your script is correct or not. You just run it.
I have to run the whole this command in the PuTTY,
Yes,
just like this,
to make a test.
just
Just
like
enter.
this.
Yeah, enter, and we
Okay.
will see if
Let-
your script is working fine.
Let me just put some dummy data.
Tu m'arrêtes si je me trompe, hein, Thomas.
Oui, il n'y a pas de souci.
Parce que je dis beaucoup de bêtises aussi. Hein.
Non, pas vraiment.
Oh putain, on est obligé de tout leur expliquer. Quoi.
Ouais.
Yes, yes, it's run.
You are happy, so cool.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so this part is done.
Yes.
Good news.
Yes, sir. Can you please ask your questions?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Are you there? You can listen.
Yes, yes, I am.
Okay. Can I stop my sharing?
Yes, if you are ready.
Okay.
But don't forget to save the script.
Okay, fine. Let me save this.
So Wasim, okay.
Yes, sir. Please ask your questions.
Okay, okay. I have some problem in logic wrapper. There is only when we create an order in logic wrapper, we can only attach only one product with it. Can we attach more?
I didn't catch you. Tu as compris ce qu'il voulait, Thomas?
Non, je n'ai pas compris.
Can you repeat it or try to speak? I don't know, because it's saturating, you know. We are not able to hear you correctly.
I want to ask when we create an order in PRSM, can we attach more than one product to same order or not?
Yes, you can. You have to push an array. The parameter for order details or order header, you can push several orders at the same time normally.
In my memory, you have to send row by row.
Okay, sorry.
But you can create your own function to just pass an array, and behind your function, it's actually sending row by row.
You were talking about the header or the details line?
I am about to detail lines.
Okay.
There is only one product, one quantity in that array. If we add more than one product, then we have to send multiple details.
Yes, it makes sense because several times you have the. I'm checking.
Okay.
It looks like the function I provide you with is only taking one line at a time.
One line at a time.
Yeah.
Then I have to send multiple or same order for multiple times for
Yes,
extra.
yeah. You can make a sequential process to push the line by line.
Okay.
Because at the end, the stored procedure is not able to handle more than one line.
It means if I create an order, it has 3 products. Then I create an order and put first product and push it, and then again change the product to second and push it again.
Yeah, but
This way it's working.
you push one time the order header and several times the order details.
Okay. That's fine. I have one more question in header. In header,
Header,
put, there are shipment address, and these names are override ship to address line 1.
Yeah. Because
and the next is address line 2 and the address line X, and the override ship address line 2, 3.
Yeah.
What is the difference? Because in Zoho we have a ship address and ship name and city, state, or country.
Okay, but it was part of my question in my last email because in the account for Zoho, we created several lines of addresses, but in the Zoho Ship2 and Zoho Build2, you have only one line. So last time I asked the question, why it's not the same? Because in PRMS, we have several lines of addresses, okay?
Yes.
And for this reason, I think Olivier with Babu created several lines in Zoho accounts for addresses. You see what I mean? It's not the same in those two forms. If you go to accounts in Zoho, you have several lines, but if you go in Build2 and Ship2 from PRMS, you have only one line.
Okay. And there is no field for city. Sorry.
There is one. There's one.
Okay.
Maybe let me check my code, because the sample I sent you, I think there is one.
I have some more confusion. There is a field order should be full ordered priced.
Pricing, full order pricing, yes.
It means order is paid or not.
You can put always the same value there.
I didn't get.
You should put always the same value. Full order repricing.
Okay. And the next FOP repricing flag. What is this?
It is the same issue. It should be for me. It's always no. It is
always no.
It is linked to the way that the system is taking in account the discount prices.
Okay. It should be no.
Yeah, if I remember well.
there is a field order type code in character, and the value is WIO. It means website. I read on document.
Yeah, because WIO is for web order. Maybe we have to create a new one. So maybe you can put a Z instead of the W. We will create a new one. This way we can segregate the invoice type, meaning it's coming from Zoho. But in the view we have, the order coming from Zoho should be regular, REG. Regular.
REG. Okay. And what is the user-defined alpha field?
It is the end user name and the end user phone, if we have it. For user-defined alpha feature, the first one, and the third one is user-defined alpha feed, the same. It is user-defined information in the order reader. But they used to have in the first one the end user name, the contact, if you want, contact name and contact phone number.
Okay. There is a sale region.
Mm-hmm.
There is a field sale region.
Sales
region. According to documentation, it has only numeric value with 3 characters, 3 numeric values.
Yeah.
Like you send me the test wrapper, there is the value is 200.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
But in Zoho there are letters like there is
No way.
There is any condition I can convert those characters to numbers on a basis of
sure.
HTML.
Do you have access to Deliver connection? Do you have access to the MySQL connection?
MySQL connection? No,
Yeah.
I have Logic Wrapper.
Okay, let me show you. Just one question: do we still need Thomas for something, or we can keep to talk together and let him do his job?
No. I just want to know the FTP we created. Can I and team can use the same FTP, or I have to create a new one if I want to use it?
Everyone who want to access data gateway user on the server need to provide me its public key.
I didn't get.
So you have to follow the process we did with Wasim to create the public key and the private key. So when you're ready to do that, you send the public key to Thomas, and he will create the needed accounts and connection.
Okay. I will send.
Super. Let me show you my screen. Share the screen.
Du coup,
ils ont plus besoin.
Still... Ouais, ok. So,
I
good
think
luck.
Thomas can leave.
Yes. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll try to answer it today.
Okay, that's great.
If you don't need me anymore, just enjoy your day. Good luck with the project.
Good luck. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Can you see my screen, guy?
No, not yet. No, yes.
Okay, so here this is the table that is used to reference to this sales region and sales salesman, you know. As you can see, you have the different region and the different sales number. This one is coming from LMS.
This is the salesman. No, I have no issue with salesman. I have the issue with sales region. In the according to documentation, there are only 4 values: 100 for purchasing, 200 for North American team, 300 for customer services, and 400 for documentary have something like that. And there is only 4 options.
Okay, so that's the reason why I'm showing. Please, I'm showing you this table because this is the table. It is region. It is the field Regon, and the salesman is Salno. If you put them together, it's designing one person. Okay, so that means the region number must come from this. For example, the active one in France. It's in Europe, this is this one. Okay, for example, starting with 200. So what do we have somewhere in the account this value? Did we synchronize this part? I can ask to maybe Vasim, or who can ask this question?
Your screen just paused. There is no movement.
Yes, but my question is about, are we synchronizing this table somewhere? I cannot answer because I have no idea of what has been done and so on.
Okay,
Can someone answer that?
Vasim is working on that. Vasim?
Yes, please.
Please, can you see the table on my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, thanks. Can you explain us if we are using this table somewhere for synchronization?
I am not using this because you have created the views for me. I am directly using the views that is mixed up of different tables.
Okay, how can we help Yasser to make use of this one when he's creating an order?
Okay, you mean actually Yasser was getting the data from Zoho.
I need the sales region in my I need the sales region's value, but it did not I did not find in Zoho.
Okay, maybe I can create a reverse table with we have 3 fields with the shipped this name somewhere and the value for region and sales number you can use. You think it's a good idea?
I have to check in Zoho. Might be, I think we have integrated this.
Maybe.
Say regions. Okay.
Okay, what can we do?
Let me check. Just hold, please.
No problem. I'm still there.
I am using the table that is if value is 10, then description will be North America and 20 for South America and 30 for Europe West. That is the.
I'm not sure to understand. Sorry. Can you repeat?
AMS is Americas and ASP is Asia Pacific.
No, this is not this one. it is more a salesman or something like that. It's not a sales region, it's a salesperson. How can you say that? Do you have something like that in Zoho to make a relation between a customer and the salesperson?
I think I have not used it.
You think that means you are not sure, or you are pretty sure you are not?
I am not sure.
Okay.
I am checking. I am using one thing, that is sale region. The value of sale region is Europe.
No, it's not this one. We really need something with name like
And other thing that I'm using as a sub region, that's value is Europe West.
no, this one. We really need something that should be like person name, first name, last name.
Okay. But I am not using this. I am sure about this.
Okay. So before addressing this part, Yasser, maybe you can use on 212, because this one is the default value without link to any person. 212. Okay. And we have to address this part later. Okay.
I set sale region to 212.
200 for the region and 12 for the salesperson.
Okay.
Okay.
For every order, I just fix these values.
But I have to understand why we didn't talk about that yet. Because I think we need this part.
Which is compatible.
Can you please see the Zoho PRMS invoices, and let me suggest if any field is missing, like that we have discussed, no sale person and sale region.
You mean I have to go to the forms on the site and try to understand if there's missing information? That's what you said?
Yes, because a lot of data from duplicate database to Zoho, if there is missing anything, then it will be difficult to handle in future.
So you are expecting me to do that when? Today, or I have times, or it has to be done really now?
No problem. When you have time, you will just look in the Zoho invoices.
Yeah, sure. But did you take in account the last mail I sent to Dave at adnagile.com or .net?
Yes, last time we have tested it together in the meeting.
I sent some mail on that. Did you take it in account?
Yes, you asked me some fixation. I have to fix this one.
Okay. So I will review this this table. Okay.
Okay.
Of a question about the what I can on.
Not right
Yes.
now.
Okay.
When I create the FTP public key, and then I send it to you.
Yes, to me, I will follow to
Okay.
to Thomas.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So feel free to contact me if needed. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.